Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。其实你好，好。都是可以，对不对？ That means, how are you? And welcome to another edition of Practical Hakka. All right, this month we're teaching you the phrase and the Q&A session where you ask someone if someone is there and the answer is yes or no. 这个月呢都在 focus 在有在吗？在跟不在。来，先教一下。
有在吗？
有在吗？ That means, is someone there? You, that means yes.
没
不在 No, that someone is not there. Okay, how about in a school? 我们可能会教在公司里面的跟朋友之间的啦哈。那 how about 在学校里面的好了，要找老师了 OK 所以老师有在吗？ Is the teacher there?
先生有在吗？
先生有在吗？先生 that's teacher 有在吗？ We just taught you, is he or she there?
那老师的海陆腔欣赏
欣赏这其实都很欣赏的感觉了哈。老师要欣赏他们嘛，
要尊敬
要尊敬他们了啊。欣赏 or 欣赏 those are two different dialects for saying teacher. Now the answer could be no, what do you want? 不在有什么事？
没在有嘛嘅事情？
有嘛嘅事情这个句型呢，我们常常教有嘛嘅就是有什么事情嘛。Right? Again, that means no, he or she is not here, the teacher is not here. What can I do for you? What do you need? 那在学校嘛，可能就是只是要交个作业而已嘛。I just want to turn in my homework. 我要交作业。
我爱搞功课。
我爱搞功课 OK 这个我可以分段我爱就是我要对不对搞就是要交进去
对
功课
就是功课作业
Now maybe you just want to take a day off 或许呢是因为不舒服你要跟老师请假嘛对不对所以呢我们来教大家怎么说我不舒服要请假 I'm not feeling too well I want a day off
我唔爽爽愛請假
OK 所以如果是怂怂而已是舒服那怂怂就是不舒服Let's repeat the phrase again, okay? The Q&A. 老師有在嗎 Is the teacher there?
先生有在嗎
先生有在嗎 And the answer is 不在有什麼事 No, what do you want?
沒在有嘛嘅事情
沒在有嘛嘅事情 That means, again, no, what can I do for you? All right? It's all about 有在嗎
有在嗎
有在嗎 And you and 沒That means yes or no. Another edition of Practical Hakka here in ICRT.
什麼大家
俺子say 張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.